हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मेडिकल ट्यूबर। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप छत्तीसगढ़ व्यापम का स्टाफ नर्स का एग्जाम दे रहे हैं तो आज एग्जाम का पहला क्वेश्चन है फ्रेंड्स, जिसमें आप देखने वाले हैं जो मोस्ट रिपीटेड और बहुत बार एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चंस आए हुए हैं और जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू है फ्रेंड्स, उसको मैं लेके आया हूं। तो फ्रेंड्स, ये बहुत ही अच्छा वीडियो होने वाली है। आप वीडियो को पूरा एंड तक बिना स्किप किए देखेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का हमारा सवाल, जिसमें पहला क्वेश्चन है the head of the health and family planning at state level is the ऑप्शन है ए हेल्थ ऑफिसर, बी हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, सी डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विस एंड डी डायरेक्टर ऑफ मेडिकल सर्विस। अगर फ्रेंड्स आपको इसका करेक्ट आंसर पता है तो आप वीडियो को पॉज करिए और कमेंट्स में आंसर दीजिए। इसके बाद एंड में आप देखेंगे कि आप टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कितने लेके आए हैं। और फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप मॉक टेस्ट देना चाहते हैं तो वीडियो को डिस्क्रिप्शन पे लिंक दिया हुआ है, वहां जाके आप मॉक टेस्ट दे सकते हैं। और फ्रेंड्स, मेरा वेबसाइट है जहां पर आपको फ्री में पीडीएफ एंड नोट्स मिल जाएंगे, जो है www.izulot.com। यहाँ आप जाएंगे तो आपको काफी सारे सर्च करने पे पीडीएफ मिल जाएंगे, जो भी रिलेटेड आपके चाहे कोई भी रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट आपके होंगे वो सारे वहाँ अवेलेबल हैं। तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है फ्रेंड्स वह है हेल्थ मिनिस्टर। ऑप्शन नंबर इज सेकेंड। इन मेनी गवर्नमेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स द हेल्थ मिनिस्टर इज द पॉलिटिकल एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव head responsible for policy making and overall direction of health and family planning programs at the state level. Question number 2. In order to listen attentively to a patient, the nurse need to option number A respond quickly to the patient, B maintain good eye contact, C sit with closed leg, D lean back to her or his chair. And correct answer number is B maintain good eye contact. Maintaining good eye contact demonstrates engagement, respect, and attentiveness, which are crucial for effective therapeutic communication in nursing. So, correct answer number is B maintain good eye contact. Question number third. Effective discharge planning must begin at the time of option number A transfer, B discharge, C admission, and D referral. And correct answer number is C admission. Starting discharge planning at admission allow the healthcare team to identify the patient's needs for post-discharge care early, coordinate resources, and educate the patient and family throughout the hospital stay. So correct answer number is C admission time. Question number 4. When bathing a patient, the nurse should avoid massaging bony prominence with soap because the soap, option number A, tends and damages the skin, B, retains moisture in the skin, C, removes natural oil from the skin, and D, affects texture of the skin. And correct answer now comments in comment section. Correct answer number is C, removes natural oil from the skin. Soap, especially Harris varieties, can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and increased vulnerability, particularly over bony prominences where skin integrity is already compromised. So correct answer number is C. Question number 5. Halitosis means option number A ulcer in the corner of the mouth, B bad smell from the mouth, C pain in the teeth, and D bad smell from the nose. And correct answer number is B bad smell from the mouth. Halitosis is the medical term for persistent unpleasant breath or bad breath. Question number 6. The normal volume of air inspired and expired is called option number A tidal volume, B inspiratory reserve volume, C total lungs capacity, and D vital capacity. And correct answer number is A tidal volume. Tidal volume is the amount of air that moves in or out of the lungs with each respiratory cycle during normal quiet breathing. So correct answer number is tidal volume is called inspired and expired volume of inspiration. Question number 7. While ambulating in the room, a patient complains of feeling dizzy. In what order will the nurse accomplish the following order? Option number A. Have a patient sit down in the air chair. B. Give the patient some things to drink. C. Take the patient blood pressure. And D. All of the above. And our correct answer number is D. All of the above. Next, dizziness can be a symptom of orthostatic hypotension or other cardiovascular issue. Assessing blood pressure first helps to quickly determine a potential cause of guide immediate intervention to prevent falls or further complications. Question number 8. The nurse assesses that the oxygen saturation is 89% in a unconscious patient who was transferred from post-operative care unit 15 minutes ago. Which action the nurse should take first? Option number A. Elevated the first head. B. Suction the patient's mouth. C. Increase the oxygen flow rate. And D. Perform the jaw thrust maneuver. And correct answer number is D. Perform the jaw thrust maneuver. Question number 9. The principal ion found in the extracellular fluid is option number A sodium and chloride, B potassium and phosphate, C sodium and potassium, and D potassium and protein. So friends, now the correct answer in comments, and correct answer number is A sodium and chloride. Sodium is the primary cation and chloride is the primary anion in the extracellular fluids, playing crucial role in fluid balance, nerves impulses, transmission, and muscle contractions. Question number 10. Which one is the most appropriate reason while feeding a client? Option number A to make the food attractive, B to improve patient autonomy, C to make the finding time pleasant, C to speed up the feeding time, and correct answer number is B to improve patient autonomy. Promoting patient autonomy by allowing the clients to participate in choices related to their food and feeding processes. Example, pace food order is a key aspect of patient-centered care. Next, question number 11. Difference between cervical and lumbar vertebra is by presence of option number A foramen in each transverse process, bifid spinous process, narrow vertebral canal, and D bifid vertebral body. And correct answer number is A. Foramen in each transverse process. Cervical vertebrae uniquely process foramina transverse foramina in their transverse process through which is the vertebral arteries pass to supply the brain. Lumbar vertebrae lack these features. Question number 12. Which is the smallest of the cranial nerve? A. Optic nerve, B. Trochanter nerve, C. Accessory nerve, and D. Vagus nerve. Correct answer number is B. Trochanter nerve. Question number 13. Venous drainage from the left ventricle is the Bayesian veins, anterior cardiac vein, C. Coronary sinus, and D. Arteriosynovial vessels. And correct answer number C. Coronary sinus. Next question number 14. CSF is secreted by meningeal blood vessels, ependymal lining of ventricles, blood vessels of the spinal cord, and choroid plexus. Correct answer number is D. Choroid plexus. The choroid plexus located in the ventricles of the brain, the specialized structure responsible for the production of cerebrospinal fluid called short in CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. Next, chyme means A. Food mixed with saliva, food mixed with gastric secretion, food mixed with pancreatic enzyme, and none of the above. And correct answer number is B. Food mixed with gastric secretion. Chyme is the semi-fluid mass of the partly digested food and gastric secretion that is expelled by the stomach into the duodenum. तो फ्रेंड्स आज हमारे क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं। इस वीडियो के पार्ट यहीं तक समाप्त होते हैं। नए वीडियो नए और क्वेश्चंस के साथ मिलेंगे। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद। और फ्रेंड्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, लाइक करना, शेयर करना जरूर ना भूलें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। हैव अ गुड डे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।